So let's go ahead and install Gemini on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So first of all, you want to go into the Google Play Store. And if you don't have the Google Play Store, I'll leave a video linked in the description on how to set up the Google services and also the Google Play Store. Anyway, come here and let's go and find Gemini. Here it is. So tap on install and let's get the Google Gemini app installed on our phone. And then now let's open it. And then it says download or enable the Google app. So to use Gemini, you need to have the Google app, which of course does not come pre-installed on the Xiaomi phone. So tap on that and then go and install the Google app as well. Should take a short time. And then you can now open that as well. So now we have the Google app, okay, which you can sign in with your Google account if you've enabled the Google services. And then also let's now go and find that Gemini. So let's launch Gemini and it's going to tell us welcome to Gemini, and then tap on more and then select use Gemini. And that's it. So now Gemini is ready to be used. So let's go ahead and add the Gemini shortcut to the home screen somewhere, maybe on the second home screen for easy access. And now you can access Gemini anytime by tapping there and you can talk. So if you go there and then select allow while using the app, allow Google access to info about apps, I'm gonna allow that, and that's it. Okay.
Help with a project or just have an insightful conversation.
Hi Gemini, what's the weather like today?
In Nairobi, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 20.
So that's basically how to get Gemini to work on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, for some reason, Xiaomi has blocked the use of Gemini or even Google Assistant hands-free. So you cannot say things like, hi Gemini, to prompt the app, and you cannot even say things like, hey Google, to prompt the Google Assistant. So that's been blocked, and you can try. So if you go into the Gemini homepage, go to the profile icon and then go to settings, and then under settings you're looking for basically talk to Gemini hands-free. You can tap on that and then you can see it says this feature is currently unavailable on this device. So unfortunately that's the case, but of course you can put it right there on the home screen and access it at any time. Thanks for watching and good luck.